If you're experiencing approval delays on Snapchat, follow these steps to help resolve the issue quickly. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions to expedite the approval process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can lead to delays in processing approvals. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it improves the situation. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Outdated apps can have bugs or issues that may cause delays. Go to your device's App Store, search for Snapchat, and update it if a new version is available. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the app's cache can help resolve performance issues. Go to your device settings, find Snapchat in the app list, and select the option to clear cache. Restart the app afterward to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Review submission guidelines. Double check that your submission meets all of Snapchat's guidelines. If your content does not comply, it may be delayed or rejected. Review the community guidelines and ensure your content aligns with them. Step 5. Contact support. If the delays continue, reach out to Snapchat support for assistance. Use the app's support feature or visit the official website to submit a request. Provide as much detail as possible about your issue to expedite the response. By following these steps, you should be able to address and resolve approval delays on Snapchat effectively. If problems persist, staying in touch with support can provide further guidance.